everyone, I am Arav Acharya.
Hello, I'm Arav's dad, Amitoj Acharya.
We all are living in COVID-19 situations, and in this, everything has become in online, from online shopping to online education.
For that to happen, we need to have an internet connection and devices that work on internet. In today's video, we will talk about what kind of internet service provider we have at our location and the devices which we are using for working from home and for education.
Currently, we are living in or staying at a grandparents' house in Jalandhar, Punjab, in India.
In Punjab, we have certain providers at our place and our site location. We have optical network service provider and a copper based service provider. The only optical network service provider at our site is NetPlus Fastway, and optical and as a backup we have a copper based provider which is Airtel. Now optical network is a more reliable service as compared to the quality of service in copper based service provider. We use both of them for better continuity of our work services and education related services.
Moving on to various devices. Now we'll tell you what devices do we use on which devices do we attend the classes.
So I have a basic Lenovo laptop which has costed me last year less than 25,000 rupees, which is 4 GB RAM, AMD 6 processor and hard disk based configuration, has Wi-Fi connectivity and no LAN RJ45 port. I have a cell phone which is Realme. It is 6 GB RAM and 64 GB memory space. The battery is around 5000 mAh.
And I have a tab, or you can say Apple iPad, which have 8 GB RAM and 32 GB storage.
My wife has two laptops. One is old Lenovo 4 GB RAM and hard disk based, LAN RJ45 port and Wi-Fi connectivity. Another laptop is HP, which is again 4 GB RAM, SSD storage, which gives a better experience and speed performance compared to HDD based laptops. Also it has got Wi-Fi connectivity but no LAN port or RJ45 connector.
And my big brother has a phone that is MI Max 2. It has 64 GB storage and 4 GB RAM.
The battery life is again based on nearly 5000 mAh. And my wife has two cell phones. One is Vivo and another is Oppo. Both 4 GB RAM and around 64 GB storage. And battery life is again based nearly on 5000 mAh. Working people should have at least 5000 mAh based battery based phone, which gives a longer work duration for them.
And we have a laptop of Acer that we just bought a weeks ago, online only,
which is again 4 GB RAM, 32 GB Optane memory and SSD based storage, gives a better performance and responses.
Yes.
It has got LAN port, RJ45 as well as Wi-Fi connectivity.
Its response is very fast actually.
Yes, the performance is always better in SSD. So my dad has Zenfone, which is 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage. He uses it for stocks and other for.
We use two Android TVs. One is of Kojak and one is of iFalcon. We first buy iFalcon to see how the Android TV works, and then we buy the Kodak TV, which is bigger in size from the iFalcon. But both are good.
Yes, the Android TVs are another device which works perfectly in Google environments. It has got Chromecast seamless connectivity. We can cast our screens from Android based phones to a bigger screen to have a better viewing experience, both in case of work and in case of education, especially in case of education, because it is sometimes very stressful for the kids to totally focus on a small screen of cell phone for around 3 to 4 hours a day. So they can basically choose to look at a bigger screen and have a relax and less of the eye burns and those kind of scenarios and situations which are typical to to the current times, wherein we have to really keep watching our cell phones and devices.
Yes, and now I will tell you what my grandmother uses. My grandmother uses a phone of Motorola, or in short Moto. It has 32 GB storage and 4 GB RAM.
Yes, it is also important since smartphones are essential of our life to share our ideas and to connect with people around. So it is essential.
So this is all for today. We'll get back to you with another very interesting videos and informative videos. I hope you liked our content and videos. So for this video, please like and hit the bell icon. And do you know something I forgot to tell you? That we buy laptops that have good design and looks good. And now I will tell you another thing that looks good. That is our subscribe button. Please hit it and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching our video. Bye.
Please like and subscribe. Thank you.